All right, we got this nice little box here from Z1. Did not come with the wrenches, but in this little box here, got the side skirt seals for the Nismo skirts, windshield washer fluid cap. Damn, I don't know if it's a mosquito or a fly. He will not leave me the hell alone. One of the poppers. Need to look for the other one. Okay, it's in there. And then 2 little bumper clips for the rear bumper, which I'll show you guys on another video when the bumper goes on. But for now, let's put these on. All right, let's go back here. These are super simple, by the way. Doesn't require too much brain, but it'll probably make me a liar. In theory, you should be able to just twist these off and not do that. But that's what the inside looks like if you guys are curious. All right, so this is how it pops currently with the factory hatch poppers, whatever you want to call it. So push and hold, hardly anything. And if I'm lucky, which I'm not, I gotta do this fast. Oh yeah. All right, so replacing the hatch poppers. That kind of came out weird. Yes, I need to do something different with this box. And there are the notorious, ooh, the carpet looks brown in the video. That is not the case in real life. Let's see if I can tone that down. Again, using my iPhone, it's just quicker, easier. But those are the mesh inserts for the bumper. So there's that. So let's get into replacing these poppers, shall we? All right, once you finagle this out of here, you'll see at the top, there's a little indentation here. You basically need to turn it to release it. So you put it in, like so, and then you spin it and it locks. Or I guess I could show you there instead of the rest of the car. You put the tab in at the top where it lines up, and then you spin it and it locks itself. So we're gonna do that with the new ones. Open these up, I'll pop them in, show you the difference. All right, so here's the new one from Z1. As you guys can see, the Dino logo. I think they call them Zeno. Anyways, put the tab in at the top, simply just twist, and that's it. Now visually looking at them, you can see already that the Z1 piece is dramatically longer. Now they also did supply 2 rubber gaskets, so I'm going to try one with 1 seal and then the other one with 2 seals and see what the difference is. Maybe one's replaceable, or maybe they're supposed to be both in there. We'll find out. Okay, so there's 2 rubber washers, pretty flimsy, that come with the new popper. One of them has a hole on each side, as you can see. The other are solid. The ones that have the hole, from what I can see, are slightly thinner. So I'm gonna try the ones that do not have a hole, that are installed, one on each side, and see how that works. Make sure I got my keys in my pocket. All right, let's close this bad boy. All right, hitting the bumper again, or hitting the button again. Holy crap. What a difference. That was nice, super easy. Yeah, for 70 bucks before tax and shipping, those are not a bad investment at all. Right now they are on sale, 20% off. If you guys go to the website, they've got a promotion going on. No, this video is not sponsored, but all right, so this next one is not going to be as quick. Take these seals off here, take the clips off of the plastic tray. You're gonna pull this plastic tray up, set it to the side. Oh my god, look at all the dirt. This thing desperately needs to be, ooh, that hose looks like it's gonna break. Anyways, squirrel moment. You're gonna want to loosen this bolt, and we're going to be utilizing that bolt and those 2 on the hood, doing the hatch conversion, or the hatch strut. I'm saying that wrong. Hood strut conversion with the high lift struts. So let's get into that now. All right, that is a 10 millimeter tray, by the way. Remove the old one. And this is like a little pawn piece that you're going to thread into it. You know, hand tighten it, doesn't have to be anything crazy, just don't strip out your threads. Next, what you're going to want to do is take this plastic, see that little circle indentation on the edge, you're going to cut about half of that out following that curvature. That way it fits around that stud perfectly. All right, so once you have everything where you want it, bolt it down. I've already positioned my hood like 4 or 5 times and I still feel like it's a smidge off, and yes, it is dirty. The sun came out to play. So this is what it looks like when you open the hood. That goes way up like that, way up. It's different, that's for sure. I'm not used to having the hood that far up. But it gives a lot of room to do a lot more activities. So this will probably come in handy when I do 2J swap it eventually. But for now, I think I'm gonna clean the engine bay the best I can. Oh yeah, we got the wiper fluid cap. It's not in its best place right now. There's only 1 bolt holding it in. I need to get 2 more 10mm bolts from the parts store, which is right down the road, and secure it. So that'll be firmly in place. I need to desperately wash this thing pretty bad. If anybody knows of anyone that wants this bumper, I'm willing to give you a heck of a deal on this bumper. It is an OE bumper, a V3 Nismo. Sorry, I've got the hiccups. I'm trying not to burp on camera. And this angle looks really bad because it's super dirty and the sun's hitting it. Anyways, if anyone wants this V3 bumper, I'll make you a killer deal. It needs a little bit of finagling on the bodywork side here, and I don't necessarily want to go that route. Like the whole piece, you can see where it's kind of buckling, and then that little corner piece and the lip. You really can't see anything on the bottom unless you seriously look at it, but there is noticeable. And I don't want to deal with it. I just want to buy new, get it painted, bolts it in, be good to go. I'll probably sell this when I pull the engine. So in the next few months, if you know anybody or if you want it, hit me up, put a deposit on it, reserve it, whatever you want to do, so you can secure it. Anyways, hood is now secure. The trunk is now done. Wiper cap is done. I will do the side skirt seals when I clean the car. And then the other parts I got were new brackets for the rear bumper. So when I put this rear bumper on, I have never taken a Z bumper off in the rear before. And it's kind of challenging, I guess, to put it at the very minimal, very least. But those L brackets that slide into the bumper that are affixed to the body, I kind of ruined those when I pulled the old bumper off, because I was at work and I was on a time crunch and said screw it, sent it, but I sent it a little too hard. So you can see there's slight gappage on this side and slight gappage on the other. So that's going to be fixed with the new brackets. And then those little side clips are little twist ones in the corner here under the tail lights. And then I will put the mesh on the new bumper. I just have to figure out a way for it to stay in position, because I don't like the way Nissan thinks it should go on. I feel like it'll probably fall off in that way. Some people have had no problems, but I don't want problems. Let's put it that way. All right, guys, this is going to be it for the video. If you liked it, please comment, subscribe, give it a like. Give me your impression on what kind of shitbox this really is, or what I should do next before I JZ swap it. Let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.